It comes from farm to table. So literally, whatever I harvest here in the morning, gonna get served directly to the guests within 2 hours time. So we receive the goods at 10 o'clock in the morning, and your first salad served in your restaurant is with those freshly harvested leaf. On top of it, of course, there's a huge contribution in terms of reducing carbon footprint, as we don't import those products anymore from overseas, and it's been literally grown here on site and then been used immediately.